G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you some platinum goodness.
We've actually got the physical product here today, Alex, not like yesterday with the pre-order on those dragons. We've got the physical product here, and we're really excited because this is a first look for us, but also the first in the series.
Absolutely. So for those of you who still don't know, this is the Perth Mints Platinum 1/10 Lunar horse. And this is, I'm quite excited because one, as many of you would know who watch the live stream, big Platinum fan, but also a big Lunar fan. And this is the first time that the 1/10 has been released in Lunar form by the Perth Mint. As part of the first series, Series 3, with them releasing the Lunars in Platinum. So coming through halfway through the series, so it's a little bit, some people think strange, but others are very excited like myself, and I can't wait to see what these look like.
I think Perth Mint has been struggling a little bit with the Series 3 Platinum because Platinum has become a lot more popular since the start of the series, and so they were kind of limited a little bit, I think, to that just 1 ounce Platinum, and that's kind of all they were touching, and it was selling out, and they were kind of a little bit strung by the mintage and I guess structure that they set up right at the beginning of the series.
Yes.
So I think this is them kind of going, let's test the waters a little bit, see, maybe Series 4 we start to see a whole, much more variety in the Platinum range.
Maybe, and when they did start off with the mouse in 2020, first time again, like I said earlier, Lunar series being released in Platinum, the price of Platinum was lower.
Yeah.
Now it's higher, and it's also got a lot more people interested in Platinum, so this is a great opportunity to jump into a Lunar series in the Platinum variety.
I'm glad you popped open the box there and not just the packet there, because I really love seeing how these 1/10s come packaged through. And let's take a look at the coin itself. So very familiar design, but the gold design that's on there as opposed to the silver one, or I suppose gold and platinum design.
Yep. And they do come in rolls of 20.
There you go.
So if you want a fresh roll, they're available in that as well. But yeah, it's same design as was released early in the, or I should say last year in September. And now we see it incarnated in the 1/10 form.
Makes it a little bit easier to grab at least one of every type of metal as well. Previously you would have had to step up to that 1 ounce platinum. This kind of makes it a little bit easier. You can get 1/20th gold, 1/10 platinum, and then just like a 1 ounce silver or something like that, or a ½ ounce silver. So I think this ticks a lot of boxes.
Yeah, absolutely.
But we will see how it goes for presumably the rest of the series.
And it's great for those that want to dip their feet into Platinum and didn't know what to get. This is, I think personally, this is a fantastic way to get into Platinum, especially if you're starting out. Lunar series being so popular, and this is the first in the 1/10 of the Platinum Lunars. So I don't see how it can go wrong.
Very, very cool to see these through. The link will be down in the description below, so head down there, let us know what you think down in the comments below as well, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much, Alex.
My pleasure. See you next time.